All right, guys, we got a 2002 Toyota 4Runner that makes brake noise, has all the ABS lights on and stuff like that. You'll hear it right now. There we go. And when you turn it on, it has the brake, ABS, and that constant beeping noise. I want to say 99.9% of the time, it's because of this module right here. It's all built in. As you can see, it doesn't have a brake booster. It has accumulator, the whole ABS thing right here, computer and everything, all in one unit. And now you basically got to replace this whole unit. These things are not cheap. They're minimum $600 depending on the year, make, and model that you have, or depending on where you get it, like from a junkyard, rebuilt, new. I want to say minimum $500 to get one of these. I'll be showing you guys how to remove it, how to take it out. And yeah, what I did right now, I put a little bit of penetrating fluid like WD-40 or JB Blaster, whatever, on these lines right here because they're a bit rusted up. First thing I did was remove this pin right here that goes on the lever, which is this one right here. Pretty easy to remove. You just take out the cotter pin and slide it out. That's the most easiest thing. And then next thing up is remove the 4 bolts that hold it on. There's only 4 bolts. It's pretty cramped in here, so you guys might not be able to see it due to like the camera not fitting. But there's 2 bolts right there on that side, and then 2 bolts on the other side. Those are a bit more hidden too. All right, so I'm gonna start removing the lines. Make sure to use these type of wrenches because you will round this off, especially if it's rusted up like mine is. So make sure to get yourself some line wrenches, a 10mm, and use those to then loosen it up. But don't loosen up the whole thing. I did loosen up the 4 bolts inside a little bit, but I didn't loosen them all the way, so I can still have some resistance and kind of help me out to loosen them up. So here I am. I already cracked them with the other line wrench. Now I'm gonna go with this one just because it's faster, and just start loosening all 4 of these up. You see they're all pretty loose already. That one, and that one. So we're gonna loosen up all 4, and then we'll be able to loosen up the last bolt inside and take it all out and disconnect these obviously, but take it out. All right, so get yourself a 12mm deep socket and take out these 4 nuts. It's literally only 4 nuts. However, you will need some with one extension. Other ones you only need the socket because they also won't fit. But it's like a square. See, we can see took that one up there, down there, up there. Same thing on this side. There's 4 right there, 2 and 2. So now that they're loose, these 2 lines right here removed, the ones on the side removed, harness removed. It's just these clips you push down. Very easy to remove. Push down all these clips. And then this, oh, this just comes out like this. As you can see, there it comes. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands. I can't do it with 1 hand. And just like that, it's out. When you pull it out, you might want to shift these lines a little bit because they will get caught into the thing. But that's pretty much it. Just this harness, 4 lines, 4 bolts, 1 pin, and a cotter pin. And that's it. That's all you need to take it out. Very easy on this Toyota. There's the unit right there. I think these are a lot different every year model. I think it's like 2001 to 2003 use this type of thing, and then newer and up they use like 1 big connection right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This should not take more than an hour, to be honest. Put it in, same thing you do, same way you took it out, bleed the brakes, and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.